One of the things that you can do with the XY axis and a two-variable equation is solve some real-life word problems. Let's take a look at this one in this example. Bud's Bakery had 2 loaves of bread in stock. Bud can bake 3 loaves of bread every hour. Fill in the blanks. Now the first thing that you want to see in here is that Bud has 2 loaves of bread in stock already. All right? So already we know that at the beginning, or the 0 hour, we're going to start with 2 loaves of bread. Now ask yourself, at the first hour, how many loaves of bread can he bake? Well, it says here that he can bake 3 loaves every hour. So if we start out with 2, and then hour 1 we bake 3 loaves, we're going to have 2 plus 3 for hour 1, and that's going to be 5, right? How about the next hour? We have 5 loaves of bread at the moment. So let's just erase this chunk right here. And we have 5 loaves of bread at the beginning of hour 2, and then we bake 3 more. That's going to be 8 loaves of bread. Okay, that's not a very good 8. Let's fix that 8. Oh, there goes the 5. So we'll draw both the 5 and the 8 back in there. All right, sounds good. Next, third hour. Right now we're at 8 loaves of bread. And we can bake another 3 loaves that hour. So we're going to end up with 11 loaves of bread. So as you can see on the graph, the next thing we're supposed to do is plot the lines and connect them. So the hours are going to be the x-axis, and the loaves are going to be the y-axis. So I'm just going to mark them H and L so you can see that a little better. So the first hour, we're at hour 0. We're going to go to 2 loaves. So we're going to be right here in the middle, and then we're going to go up to 1, 2. Plot a point right there. See if you can see that. Hour 1, we're going to go up to 5. So here's hour 1, and then we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Hour 2 is going to actually go right off the graph because it's going to be 8. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. And now we can just go ahead and connect those lines. Now my line's not going to be perfect because I'm doing it freehand here. But you can see that those dots all connect more or less in a straight line. Okay, the final step is to write an equation for the line. So the first thing you need to ask yourself is, what does y equal? Okay, so y is going to end up equaling what you start with, which we started with 2 loaves of bread. So that's the 0 point we start at. And then we're going to have to ask ourselves, what does it get added? And we know that we can bake 3 loaves of bread per hour. So we're going to have a 3 in here. And then we don't know how many hours Bud is planning to continue baking. So we're going to represent that by an x. So your equation for this line is y equals 2 plus 3x. Now I'm going to give you there's some practice sheets that you have. There's a problem that's right below this one on your worksheet that you can go ahead and do. If you need to, watch this video again to help you understand how to do it, or ask me any questions that you might have. But I would like you to finish the next 2 problems in the lesson practice, and that will be our work for today.